In this demo, we're going to configure folder redirection. We're going to create the shared folder for folder redirection and a GPO to actually redirect, in this case, the documents folder. Let's go to our local disk and use a technique to create a new folder. We'll call this folder redirect. And then we'll configure the folder as necessary for the redirect function. We're going to share it with the everyone group and give those guys the read-write permission. Okay, that's done. Now let's go to the Group Policy Management console. I'm going to create a GPO, link it at the domain level. We'll call it folder redirection, have it apply to everybody in the domain. We're going to edit the GPO. And we'll go down to Windows Settings, Folder Redirection, expand that, and we'll pick the Documents folder. And we'll select Properties there. You've got a couple of settings. The Target tab, you've got the drop down initially that lets you do nothing, or Basic Redirection sends everybody's stuff to the same place, or you can select Advanced. We're selecting Basic, and we're also making sure it says create a folder for each user under the root path. And the root path, we're using UNC notation to specify our DC1 and the redirect folder we created. This is a warning about earlier versions of Windows, maybe not working right. So we've got the Documents folder configured to redirect to that location. Let's shift over to the client, and for this to work, the first thing we're going to do is a quick GP update /force. And then it's going to come out and tell us, hey, some of these things only work, pre-logon, so you're going to have to log back on in order to make this thing work. Do you want to do that? So we're going to log off, log back on. And just to make our lives easier, we're going to go to Personalize, change desktop icons, and we're going to add the user's files selection to our desktop. That way we'll see the administrator's folder like you see there. So we're going to go to that, and then we're going to go over to the Documents folder, right click, take a look at the properties, and right there under location, notice that's the redirect location, not a local C drive location. Another successful demo. See you next time.